Now mandatory to wear a mask in public in both Hamilton and Butler counties, and more of you could be in the same boat come tomorrow.
Kentuckians are about to get mandates of their own. Whether that has to do with masks, we won't know until tomorrow. What we do know is cases are climbing in the Commonwealth. There are 402 new ones today. And as you can see on this graphic from Johns Hopkins University, the numbers have spiked over the last week. So Governor Andy Beshear is promising new requirements, and they will be mandatory. He is expected to announce them at a news briefing tomorrow evening. As for that order in Ohio, it is in effect right now.
Yeah, but as for who will enforce it, how they'll do it, and whether they really have to do it, that's still a bit ambiguous. Here's Walter Smith-Randolph.
We just have one size, okay?
At the corner of Sherman and Station Avenues, Lieutenant Ron Murphy with the Norwood Police Department helps hand out face masks.
We're 100% behind the fact that, again, that masks work.
But Norwood PD, like Cincinnati Police and both Hamilton County and Butler County Sheriff's offices, all say they will not enforce the governor's mask mandate. Lieutenant Murphy says it comes down to manpower.
It would be overwhelming, and we don't want our center overwhelmed. We have our own 911 communication center, and we don't want people calling from inside of various stores. We have a lot of shopping in Norwood.
If you want to file a complaint, contact the health department.
Usually that complaint will prompt a phone call to the business or to the individual that's having a problem with that. We try always to pursue education over enforcement.
Mike Salmon is with the Hamilton County Health Department. He says they do not want to be the mask police either. They just want people to use the best practices.
The science has shown very clearly so far that if we combine mask wearing with hand sanitization, with all of the other steps, social distancing, coughing and sneezing into the crook of your arm, stay home when you're sick, all of these things combined will have been proven to reduce the transmission of COVID-19.
While the health department and many police agencies are not focusing on enforcement, many businesses are. Metro says you must have a mask on board the bus, and at this Walgreens in downtown Cincinnati, you have to have a face covering to enter the store.
For businesses, mask wearing has been mandatory for some time since they've been reopened. Hopefully they're already complying.
Lieutenant Murphy estimates 75% of Norwood businesses are complying. He hopes that number goes up and that the average citizen will be a good neighbor and mask up.
It's nothing more than just trying to be better and trying to help out your fellow man.
In Norwood, Walter Smith-Randolph, Local 12 News.
There are some exceptions here. You don't have to wear one if you have a breathing condition, talking with someone with a hearing issue, or working out at a gym, as long as you're 6 feet from someone. Firefighters and police officers are also exempt. Now, if you want to file a complaint, you can do so on the health department website. We've linked both Butler and Hamilton counties for you at local12.com.